Hello. Today we are going to talk about how to solve inequalities or how to write inequalities. So, the first thing we are going to do is start with a vocabulary word. The vocabulary word we're going to discuss is an inequality. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that contains less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. So we're going to start by discussing, you have to read the equation and think, does it involve the number or does it not involve the number? So this one right here says a number x is less than 4. When I'm doing this one, I'm going to start with x, and then x is less than 4. So my small side goes to x, and 4 is my big side. For number 2, I'm going to read it as a price p, so I'm going to start putting my variable, is at least 10. So it can equal 10. It can also be bigger than 10. So at least 10. It can be 11. It can be 12. It can be 28. Let's look at number 3. The time limit t is 55 minutes. This is like if there's a test and there's a time limit of 55 minutes because that's how long you're in class. So my time limit would be t. And it could be, you could take the whole 55 minutes or you could take less than 55 minutes, but you cannot take more than 55 minutes. So this one would be t is less than or equal to 55 minutes. For number 4, it says an age, A, is not 16. The age can be 12. The age can be 42. It is not 16. These are some pretty easy examples. Let's look at our next ones. Right here. Let's look at number 5. A height, h, so I'm going to start by writing my h, is greater than 2 meters. So h is bigger than 2 meters. That's all I would do. Let's look at number 6. The big thing you have to do is think, what is it saying? Amy knitted more than 7 scarves. S. So I can't say it. Amy, did she knit 6 scarves? No. How about 8 scarves? No. She knitted at least 7 scarves. So with this one right here, I'm going to think, okay, what's my variable? My variable is S. And she knitted more than 7 scarves. So the amount of scarves is bigger, so that's where my bigger symbol comes on. Number 7, the temperature, T, was not 53. So T, it was not 53 degrees. It could have been 52 degrees. It could have been 55 degrees. But it was not 53 degrees. Number 8 says, there can be up to 20 dogs at the ballpark. So I'm going to put D for dogs. And there cannot be more than 20. So I'm going to say, with this one right here, 20 is the biggest. So that's why I put the mark this way. But it can also be equal to 20. There just cannot be more than 20. Now let's go to our word problem. The Tornadoes baseball team has not won a game this year. Write an inequality to show the number of games that another team would have to win to have a better record than the Tornadoes. Explain your answer. Well, for this problem right here, they could win one game. And they would be ahead. I could also do it like this. They could win 0 games. Anything better than 0 games, and they have a better record than the Tornadoes. There's 2 different ways to write it, and you just have to explain why. So if I did this one right here, they have to win 1 or more games using this one, or they have to win more than 0 games. So that means more than 0 would be 1. If they won at least 1 game, they beat the Tornadoes record for the year. We're done for today. Have a great time doing your homework, and I'll see you in class.